Blessings and welcome to the right path. On this video, we are driving through Monument Valley, coming from Kayenta, Arizona, on Road 163. We drove through the area where Forrest Gump stopped running, passing the town of Mexican Head and spending the night at Goosenecks State Park or State Reserve. At Goosenecks State Reserve, you can see the San Juan River, and the elevation is 4,500 feet or 1,400 meters. The only hiking trail is nearby the park and it's called Honaker Trail, and it will take you all the way down to the San Juan River. Entrance to the Goosenecks State Reserve was $10 per night per campsite, and you can park anywhere, but there's no water, electricity, or any service except vault toilets. We got to see a sandstorm, but thanks God it never came our way. The Goosenecks State Park received International Dark Sky Park designation. Night photography and stargazing are popular activities because there is little light pollution due to its remoteness. Hope you liked the video, and please feel free to write any questions in the comments. Thank you.